Good morning and also good evening to you all. Before we begin our class, as usual, let us pray together. Before you watch this lesson, take a quiet moment and settle your heart. May you have a peaceful mind and may you have the strength to face whatever today brings. May you learn something meaningful today, understand something new, and become a little wiser through every lesson. When you find something difficult, may you have the patience to try again. When you make a mistake, may you see it as a chance to grow. And when you succeed, may you remain humble and grateful. May you treat your classmates with kindness and respect your teachers. And always remember the value of learning. We also remember the people of Myanmar. May those affected by conflict and flooding find safety, support, and hope. May families facing difficult times find strength, and may peace and healing reach our communities. As you watch this lesson today, give it your attention, give it your best effort, and believe that every small step in learning matters. May your mind be peaceful, may your heart be strong, and may your journey of learning be meaningful. May peace and goodness be with you today. So may it be. So let's get started our lesson. For today's lesson, I want you to think about your friend's birthday. Let's say today is your friend's birthday. So you want to celebrate your friend's birthday party, and I want you to brainstorm by answering these 3 questions. Please write your answer in short phrases in the comment box. I will be checking your answers. Okay, you can pause the video and you can write your comment. Then let's go to the next. For the next one, read these sentences and find the correct answer. You have to choose the correct one. For number 1, what do you think? Yes, the answer is can. What about the second one? Okay, yes, could. And the third one? Yes, could. And the last one? Okay, so after getting the answer, let's look at these. So here, these are the phrases that you can take from these sentences. Some of them are suggesting and one is requesting. I want you to think about 3 more suggesting phrases or sentences and then 3 more requesting phrases. So please write your answer in the comment box. Okay? You can pause the video and then write your comments. Now let's have a look. This is the text type you will see this one in the PD level writing text. Look at the yona. What kind of yona is it? Yes, it is email writing. And how many questions do you need to answer? Yes, 4 questions. You have to include these 4 main notes in your writing. And then how many words can you write? Yes, you can write only 100 words. So don't write more than 100 words. So let's read together about Sam's email. So Sam is sending you this email. Mom said I can invite some friends for dinner on my birthday. I hope you can come. It will be next Thursday at 6 p.m. So for this invitation, you see here, great. So how should you reply? Will you accept the invitation or not? Of course, you have to accept the invitation because you see great. And the second part, do you think it's a good idea to have a barbecue in the garden? So your answer must be yes, and you have to support a reason why. Can you think about a reason why it is good to have barbecue in the garden? One more time, please write your answer in the comment box. The third point, Moms is going to make a cake and I want to make an apple pie, but I have never made one before, so I hope it will be okay. So here, the note is you have to offer to help. Think about what kind of offer can you make? So for the offer, which buff should you use? So previously we have discussed about suggesting and requesting. So which one can we use? Of course, we can use suggesting. So used some of the suggestions here to write your answer. And the last part, after dinner, we could do some fun activities together. What do you think everyone would enjoy doing? So you have to suggest an activity. So here you can also give suggestion or you can also give offer. And here you also need to give a suggestion on an activity. That's why don't forget to use these kind of phrases in your writing. After that, I want you to read an example writing. Let's read together. So here we can read Frankie's email. So Frankie's reply to Sam. Let's read together. Okay. So did he answer all the questions? What do you think? Okay. And then look at the layout. Do you think it is a good idea to write your email with only one paragraph? If you don't like it, how can you change it? Okay. Now, look at this email again. It has got 6 mistakes. Can you find what are they? You can underline this one in your textbook. So pause the video and find the mistake. Now, what is the first mistake? Very good. It is this one. It's a good idea having a barbecue. So how can we change or how can we correct it? Yes, you cannot say it's. You have to say it's. It's a good idea. Having or to have? To have. So it's a good idea to have a barbecue. What is the second mistake? Yes, the second mistake is this one. If you were like, what is round here? Yes, grammatical error. We cannot use were like after if. How can you correct it? If you like. Okay, the next mistake is this one. Watch the movie. Why it is round? Because you can see article the. We don't know which movie are we going to watch. That's why we cannot use article there here. We have to use article a, watch a movie. Then what is the next mistake? It is here. Why don't watch? How can we correct it? Yes, we can say, why don't we watch? Okay, so this is the phrase that you can use. Of course, when we give suggestions, we can use that one. And then what is another mistake? Yes, this one. Everyone love. Here, everyone means a singular one. So it must be followed by a singular verb, loves. So when you write down an email, please be careful these kind of grammatical mistake. Now I want you to think about a plan. You have to reply an email to Sam. Think about a plan. I think you have got some idea to reply Sam. So can you think about 2 or 3 vocabularies that you want to include in your email, but they must be at B1 level. I want to see those vocabularies in the comment box. Okay. Now I want you to go to our Google Docs and then write your reply email to Sam. This is the first task you have to do. And after that, I want you to do this task. The first one is textbook page number 45. Please write a reply email. And the second one is workbook page number 45. Please write a reply email. I want to see all of them in the Google Docs. When you write down your answer, please be careful about your grammar. And then paragraph, then the spelling, and also use the suggestions or offer that you have learned in this unit. We have already learned about modal verbs and the use of modals. Please try to use those phrases in your writing. That's all for today. See you